Hi, I am Eva Pardy. Welcome to my presentation about the solution I created to remotely control the KUKA youBot with the use of this graphical user interface, which I created with the use of GUID in MATLAB. The code also sets up the connection between the controller and the client, and if I press the connect button, then the connection is tested and validated. If it was successful, this message comes back, otherwise a failed message would arrive. With the use of this Create Picture button, we can create an RGB image with the use of this vision sensor installed on the base of the robot. With the use of these sliders, you can manipulate the movement of the robot's arm. For example, on the bottom of the controller, you can see a very basic joystick, but it is meant to manipulate the movement of the robot's base. The robot can move forward, backward, on the right or on the left, and rotate as well. There is also a button to stop the robot where it is at the moment when the button is pressed. So please go on the right a little. And also take a picture in the meantime. Now go on the left. And stop there. Go backward. The arm can also move like this, as it is moving around on the map. Please stop there. And I would like you to rotate a little. So as you can see, this controller is able to check for the connection with the client, also able to take an RGB image with the use of the vision sensor, able to move the arms of the robot and the base of the robot as well. Thank you so much for your attention.